So we're on about day 8 of plastering, and we're finally getting on to this, finishing up this side of the house. This is the leveling coat, and yeah, lots of work goes into building up these window reveals, especially the underside, which you can see our two newest members of the team here.
Aye.
But Aaron Grail from Aaron Grail Construction out of Santa Cruz.
That's
and
right.
Brendan Spires from his health coaching profession.
Yes, from around the world, I'll tell you.
I want to welcome Instagram to the future of building. It's very exciting. This is what will take us into the 21st century. It just makes too much sense.
And why is that?
Well, because it's intrinsic simplicity. Not only is it healthy, but it's completely renewable, and it's easy to work with, and it's totally healthy. We've lived in buildings way too long that we're choking in, so I'm gonna build one for myself. And I'm a contractor, so you can trust that.
Cheers, guys. Thanks, and thanks to Braden and Julie that are down there in the background too.
Yeah.
He's also rocking the plastering game. I think it's his 3rd day in.
Yeah.
How are you feeling there, Braden?
A little sore hands, but it's been good, man.
Yeah, awesome, man. So this is Plaster Workshop 101. Good stuff. Thanks, guys.
Cheers.